See, he's doing his trailer is where? Right here?
Lay down, so we'll fall.
It's fine. So I planted the lavender on this side and then rocks right here. Duha lang. I'll get some more. I got one lavender over the outside. Ready to flower ngayon. There's buds na. Okay. And that's my rose. Tuyaron ang. I'll show you the tomato and the pepper and the grapes. Siya nagaturo. No. Ay, bastos ka! Ano to man? Tingtad siya pag ang sarado. Kaso. Ay! Kapisbit ang saraduhon mo. Buangit. Basa ko. Basa. Okay. So, here's the here's Steve. There's the tomato. Right there. 2 and the peppers. Over there. I have this up. Kay para hindi pagatakihon ka diya. Luwag-luwag. Ano gani halog? Lagak. Daw pante nga lagak. Pay ba ilang dyan eh. May gidran kay sawa ay sabi balagbag. Ayan. So, our grapes look so stressed right now. But I water them because I have to untangle them and put them on a trellis. Hopefully, this will see. Hopefully, they will get. Hopefully, mabuhi. Mabuo ba? Para ang grapes. Tapos no, hopefully mabuo sanda kag mag-agay. Mag ano lang giya bala ano man. Mag-agay lang ang anda nga bunga giyak lagi. Anong agay? Hindi ko mabuol ang term. I think this is called blue pine. There's a bee just got in there. But look, it's so beautiful in the inside. Oh, there's the bee too. My goodness. She's so busy. Nalingling ko. Lingling ko ang bee. See? I think this is called blue pine. She just transferred to the other flower. And she's complaining. She said. See? Ah! Not on me! A little bit more. Okay, stop. I don't know if that's...
Yeah, that one.
Okay, just straight then. Just come out straight. Woo! Oh my God, that's scary. Ay, maarapan na. Pagkita mo, nakobya guys ah. Isa no? Hold ako yun para matabnan. Matis. Here we come. Where is it?
Miss John Deere.
Mr. and Miss John. I'm just...
Ladies and gentlemen, wave at Miss John Deere. Prince of the Moor.
How do you pull this?
Put your finger in and pull the lid off.
My goodness!
Come out.
You ran over John Deere. No, honey. Oh, this is like the... this is the tray. Bathroom tray. Leave it here first.
Well, probably with
Something else? Amazon just leave it outside somewhere hidden. See? It's Pangitaon mo lang tanal kung diin dai haboy. Okay, we have to go get the lid or cap of the
Telling on me.
septic something because Mr. John Deere ran over it and pop it. Broke it.
I think you did it when you cut the lawn like with your grass.
I have not cut the grass for 2 weeks.
Well, it's been like that for 2 weeks.
Okay, just bring it over here.
I'm coming, baby. Don't tell everybody.
Don't tell everybody ko na. Ay, nako. Ah. I still have to come back here and weed whack this. Ayan, I put this so nothing goes there first. Ayan, guys. Ah! It doesn't fit. Okay. Now. And I tried this, hook this up from there. I thought they're empty, but it's actually still have some in it, so I can fry my fish out here. Ah, ha, ha. Okay. Close it first. Ang lupo ko this side daw ay kita na nagbalik di ako dya una originally gintanumpay why sanda nagbalik nasuffocate sanda guro kang anihan di nasuffocate sanda kahilamon pero may foreign shoots pako hindi ta akong kamaan magkaon karon pako ragi kong mag summer doon pa inaamo pa dyan Turubo ra yan sanda pa hindi ko kumaan magkaon. It looks okay. You wanna come down here? You wanna drive down here? Bus. Si mahimo taduhan ka panyapon ari may mga legs inuruman ko lang dyan sa gatas kag langgaw diba? Tapos i-coating diya tapos isulod ko lang sa oven guys sa oven ko ta na iprito. Actually daw big pero coating. Let's see. Alright guys, last batch. Ang ganyan. Tako gatas ang nabilin na pwede rin dyan inon. Joke lang. Tapos i-shake lang. Ang akong bili na breading may tunga nga kadya. Crispy fry nga tunga. Tapos inugangan ko lang cornstarch kag flour kag garlic powder, onion powder, paprika kag paminta. Why doon asin? Kay may man ang crispy fry, pait. So ito ang partner ng ating prito manok. Ayan, cheese sauce. Yan, lagay ko dito sa mac and cheese ko na merong gulay, o di ba? May broccoli, may cauliflower, at saka may asparagus. Ayan, i-mix ko lang dyan tapos i-bake ko siya. Diba? So ayan, natin to dito guys. Woo! Paborito ng mga bata. Mac and cheese. Pero para-paraan lang na makakain sila ng gulay. Ihalo natin dyan siya. Dyan. Dito. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan guys. Homemade mac and cheese with veggies. Let's see. But it's still super hot. Wow. Diba? Kanisa. Tapos kami ka panyapon. Masurvey ako ka mga kaprutasan ko. Mga kaprutasan. Perte bunga na. Bugtong. Ano dyan, peaches gororan hay. Pay basta lang. Tapos iya may bugtong man giya. Jata na si kalbo. May ara pagid gi isa. Kalbo peaches daya. Ja daw peach man guro ja. Kalbo ay may bugtong matanag. Sa kabilog. Tapos ja mga apples dun ja. Ja peras. Maskin ginaatake kang deer. Sige japon pamunga na daw mga dahon man lang kag ubos na kaon ka deer oh. May mga bunga. Rako bunga na actually. Gamay nga puno rako bunga na ho. Ang tawag niyo bala guys? Pears, o diba? Tapos, uy, ang Rainier cherries mukhang okay na. Yan guys, oh ready na yan. Try natin. Diyan, neighbor ko. Nga. Pwede na. Ang amo dyan nga cherry, so ay dyan nagapula. Yellow lang. Daw medyo light red. Pwede doon ang cherries. Daw sarguilas. Sabi nyo kamulang may sarguilas dyan ah. Sarguilas man ko gay. Na. Baskog pa hay. Hindi pa ready mo. So that's why this big purple plums waay naga pamunga it mayad hay hanggod ang ana nga sakir. Amo dyan guys no? Waay na utdon ko dyan mag-fall. Pero may bunga man tana. Pero it needs to go. Kaya hindi tana. Parang ginasak na lang ang ano gani ang energy kang mother tree. Kaya it's a big tree but there's not much fruit na. May tinasakan ka. Abaw oh yun na ay wala naging kaon na rosemary. Ang tasak na oh. Yes ang dami aragi diyan. Yes ang dami aragi. Ika ko dito ilda. Good job though. Steve is doing leg days. Leg day. While watching TV. The crazy girl out there. She thought it's a picture. And Juliana is there. She turned around. She know I'm videoing.